Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Enjelika with student ID number 234125052 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video lesson, we will discuss Npwp registration, as well as the definition of tax subject and tax object. This topic is important to understand because it directly relates to every citizen's obligations in implementing the tax system. By understanding these three topics, we can understand who is required to pay taxes, what is subject to tax, and how to register to be officially registered as a taxpayer. First, the Npwp, or Taxpayer Identification Number, is an official identification issued by the Directorate General of Taxes to taxpayers, both individuals and businesses. Npwp registration can currently be done in two ways: online through djponline.pajak.id or in person at the nearest tax service office, KPP. The registration process is quite simple. Fill out the registration form, attach supporting documents such as an ID card, KTP, family card, Kartu Keluarga, or business establishment deed, and then wait for verification by the tax authorities. Once approved, the Npwp will be issued and can be downloaded digitally. Having a taxpayer identification number, Npwp, is important because it is used for various administrative purposes, such as tax reporting, opening a bank account, and employment requirements. Furthermore, a tax subject is a party obligated to pay taxes. Tax subjects include individuals, business entities, and permanent establishments. Examples of tax subjects include individuals with income, companies conducting business in Indonesia, and branches of foreign companies operating in Indonesia. In other words, a tax subject is any person or entity obligated to pay taxes to the state. Meanwhile, a tax object is anything that serves as the basis for taxation. Tax objects can be income, assets, transactions, or specific goods. Some examples of tax objects include salaries or wages received by an individual, profits from business, lottery prizes, and land and building sales transactions. This tax object serves as a reference for the government in determining the amount of tax payable by the taxpayer. From this explanation, it can be concluded that the Npwp serves as a taxpayer's identity. The tax subject indicates who is required to pay taxes, and the tax object explains what is subject to tax. By understanding these three, it is hoped that the public will be more aware and compliant with tax obligations in order to support national development and welfare.